So column E, okay. Each number is, so you can say it is simply D1 square. So I'm just taking the square of the numbers in the column D, because column D is xi minus x bar. So column E is simply the square of that. This is what I told you. You can work on Excel, then you can copy the working on a paper, then you can scan those and submit. Okay, so but normally in the exams, there will not be so much data, so there could be only less than these points. All right. So the last column is the sum of all these numbers. So I'm adding the sum of all the numbers from E1 to E28. Okay, then the standard variance is nothing but variance is, so I'm dividing the sum with the total number minus 1, n minus 1. So n is the sample size, which is 28. So I'm subtracting with 1, so 27. So variance is simply the sum of all the numbers from E1 to E28 over 27. N minus 1 is equal to 27. So you can see that in the formula. So that gives you variance. So the variance value for this one is, I'm sorry. Okay, so the variance, you get this. Oh, this Excel sheet, it's very simple, E-check. So I'll try to upload if, but it's quite a simple one. All right. So the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So when you do standard deviation square root of variance, okay, so you can just take whatever you get variance. So I'm taking to the power of 0.5. So that means I'm taking the square root. But when you use your calculator, you can do these things quite fast. So in fact, a good number of calculators, they will allow you to calculate variance and standard deviation, straightforward. All right. Okay. Any questions on this? I'll go back to the